Hey everybody, wanted to start doing a little video series here on this. This is actually my neighbor's Tommy's truck. He picked up just a week or so ago. And I just want to take a few minutes to show you kind of what it is, what we're planning on doing with it. It's a 74 C10, 5-lug. Body's not awful, but we got new fenders, new doors for it, new cowl induction hood. And is it technically a red? I think we're going hugger orange on this thing. It actually pulls more red out on the camera. It was pearl white. It's got a few places. I think it's pretty common for these trucks above the wheel well. And then down there below the back tire, or behind the back tire. So both sides are going to be sanded down, scuffed down. Same thing on this side, got a little bit of problems. It's got the little steely wheels on it. It looks not bad, but it's just sitting in there a mile. Needs a little more tire. It is a custom deluxe. Been hit on this side. Another new door, another fender. It's gonna need a bumper, headlight bezel. Give me 1 second, let me set this down. And it has a 350, turbo 350 crate motor in it. You know you're in the country when a combiner goes down the road.